4D laser level has two 360 degrees horizontal planes, and two 360 degrees vertical planes, which can measure the horizontal and vertical, the right angles in four directions of the ground or zenith, and the vertical points in space. Also, it has an intelligent warning function too, which can automatically warn when the machine is not in the horizontal plane, to ensure the accuracy of use. In the range of self-leveling, the automatic self-leveling function greatly improves accuracy. The difference between 4D and other laser level is that it has 16 laser lines, two 360 degrees horizontal, and two 360 degrees vertical laser line, can be selected separately according to the application on the worksite, i.e., for *360 degrees. And there are four windows on the four sides of the level, and the bottom window can be used to assist in floor laying and other groundwork. Super 4D laser level with Bluetooth app and remote control, which greatly improves the unnecessary control time consumption in work. 4D 16-line laser level can quickly and accurately measure the flatness of all aspects, including ceiling, wall and ground. Whether it is used in an ordinary household or any professional build, it must be the most efficient and convenient choice.